Hey there, handy friends. Today we're going to show you how to make raised beds at your homestead for next to nothing.
Everything you see here is reused, repurposed material. These are just broke down pallets from heat treated wood. Everything we have is salvage that we found on the side of the road. All you need to do is get yourself a box of nails and you can break down the pallets yourself and build these fine raised beds for your own homestead.
So stick with us and we're going to show you how it's done. This is the symbol that you're looking for when you are picking up pallets on the side of the road. If you are lucky enough to find 3 pallets like we did. And then it's very simple on the inside. We just use the bottom of the pallet. The base is always the strongest part, so he used those to do the corners of the raised beds, and then whatever else he found that he could salvage to make the sides. So you may not always find big pieces like that, but whatever you can salvage, we've made these out of several different kinds of pallets. And then the first step is going to be to add a cardboard layer on the bottom, and this will help cancel out the grass so the grass underneath doesn't come through. The second layer is going to be branches, and that helps retain fertility and moisture. Third layer is coarse mulch. You can use a variety of items for this. We did end up skipping a step here. Our grass happened to be full of dandelion seeds, so we just went ahead and skipped the grass step. So in between the mulch and the newspaper is going to be a grass layer. So we just happened to compost our grass since we realized that all the dandelion seeds were in there. That's fine. We've got enough nitrogen-rich newspaper here, so that's the next step. And now we're going to add our compost mix. Sixth layer is compost and helps provide beneficial microbes and nutrients. We make a quick soil mix from what we have on hand. Seventh layer is soil to mix with the compost to help create a top layer on your bed. So we made our own soil. We have a little mix-up that we put on top, and that is mixed in with the compost that we put below it. So it's a really fertile topsoil and compost. This is how you make really cheap raised beds for your homestead. And now we're ready to plant our strawberries in here, so I'm really excited because that's what my husband made these for. So if you like what you see in this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay handy.